Hi guys, welcome to our video. So in this video we will learn about the small facts of plants and animals. So let's start our video. Do you know? Number one question. Do you know the plants grows in wet environments? It uses its highly modified underground leaves that have slender tubes swollen in the middle to attract traps and digest microfauna. Which plant is this? Do you know? Let's think about that. This plant name is corkscrew. So, number second question. Who is the longest venomous snake in this world? Its bite delivers a tremendous amount of paralysis, including neurotoxins. The snake's venom is so strong, voluminous that it can kill an elephant in just a minute, in just a few hours. Name that. So, do you know it? I know. I tell you, it is the king cobra. Number third question. Third question. It is a very easy question. So, name a non-flowering plant. Do you know? Name a non-flowering plant. This plant is the fern. Number fifth question. Do you know opium is a plant product obtained from dash of opium poppy? Please tell the answer. This is the seed pods. Number 7 question. Do you know syrinx is a vocal organ located at the base of trachea? In which of the following organism syrinx is present? Please tell. The answer was birds. Number 8 question. Which organism contaminate the drinking water? If these are present in a larger concentration, they produce a neurotoxin that can cause paralysis. Do you identify them? This is cyanobacteria, means cyanobacteria. Number 9 question. What shark is rarely seen by humans and was discovered in 1976? It is found in deep tropical water and is believed that it swims with its mouth open. Do you name the shark? The name of the shark was megamouth. Number 10 question. Which desert plant found in southern western United States can survive in the harsh desert climate by staying dormant? When it rains, it grows new leaves and flowers. On its maturity, it sheds its leaves and becomes dormant again. Do you identify this plant? The name of this plant was Joshua tree. Number 12 question. Do you know which animal has the largest brain in the world? The answer will be the sperm whale. Number 13 question. Do you know the tree of life in barren grows in the middle of the desert and is the only green living organism living in a vast and barren desert? It is probably because of its long roots that have found some underground water source. What kind of tree is this? Do you know? The name of this tree was mesquite. Number 14 question. Do you know water hyacinth, which is a free-floating weed and induces waterways choking of plants, fish and animal growth, is a native of dash? So please tell the answer. This will be the South America. Do you know which animal is completely blind but can pick both chemical and electrical signals via receptors present on its entire body. Identify the animal. Do you know? The answer will be the worm. Worm is a insect animal. Thank you guys who listen our video. Please like it and subscribe our video. We will be again come in our next video, and that will be the earth and its environment and its some small knowledge facts. So let's bye all of you. Goodbye.